Hey, boys and girls. Welcome to my new game show. It's called Guess the Verb. So, here's how it works. I'm going to give you some expressions. Now, these could be expressions or phrasal verbs. God, everyone hates phrasal verbs. And you have to guess only the verb. Are you ready? Let's go. So, the first one, we have our mystery verb and off. So I would say, hey, why don't you off? And this means go away or leave me alone. Now, this happened to me the other day. I was walking my dog and somebody told me to get off of the property. So you know what I said to him? I said, hey, mister, off. Can you guess the phrasal verb in this first sentence? The next one is a phrasal verb, and we have our mystery word plus around. And I think in more of a British style, I think British English, I would use about. So you would hear people say, Ronnie, stop about, or stop around and do some work. This means basically like, stop wasting your time. Or, what did you do yesterday? Nothing. I just around. And I can use the past tense of the verb too. You know, I really wasn't doing anything. I just around the whole day. It was great. Do you know the phrasal verb yet? Do you know the verb? If I do this verb with someone, it means, this is not good. I try to harm or hurt them. So for example, I say, do you know what? That guy is with me. I can put an ing on that. Or he tried to me. And it's not a good thing if someone tries to you. Sometimes it is, but in this context, it's not. If you have to tell your friends like, oh, do you know what? That person tried to me. It's never a good scene. So if you try to harm someone, I've done this. Have you ever made a mistake? I make a mistake almost every day. But I can say, oh, you know what? Please don't it up. Please don't it up. Means you make a mistake. So I can say something it up or just up. Oh, that person, they're so terrible. They're such a up. Don't be up. Let's say that I'm in a fight with someone and I said, you know what? I don't even want to talk to him anymore. Him. He's gone. He's out of my life. Yep, not having it. I would like something bad to happen to this person. So I would say him. Or you as well. Then we have that. So again, this means like no way, that, nope. Or you just disagree with someone. If someone says, hey Ronnie, do you want to go like run tonight at like 12 o'clock and we can run, you know, like do a couple 100 Ks? I'd be like, that 100 Ks. Maybe on a bicycle, but not running. Can't do it. Sorry. Oh, this is a bad one too. If you or someone does something bad to someone, we can say someone over. So I can say, for example, Bob, Kevin over. Or he tried to me over. So it means somebody did something bad to you. This one, I like it. Let's just do it. Yeah, let's just do it, okay? Or it can also use the opposite. Maybe you're at your job, or you're trying to do something and you just can't do it. You're just like, guess what? I'm out here. Bye-bye. Nah, I give up. This one you hear in movies a lot. When people fight. Yeah, some people say, screw you. Well, not me though. I hate you is basically what the person's saying. This guy too, it's the same thing. Oh, this one has a double meaning. You never know what the person means when they say, are you saying let's have sex or me? Wow. It could be an expression of disbelief. If you tell someone something like, oh, hey, yesterday I just ran 100 Ks. Me, you would never do that. Don't lie, you're lying. I like this one. If someone's ing the dog, it's a very common expression. You'll hear people, hey, Bob, stop the dog and get to work. It means you're being lazy at work. You're not actually working. You're the dog. So please don't the dog at your work. It's terrible. And you're not actually the dog. You're just an expression. So, have you guessed the verb? No, not yet. Well, it's part of our game show. We're going to play a little game. And the game you guys know, it's very common. It's called Hangman. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get you to please guess a letter. Any letter, yell it out. We'll put it on the board and see if we can get the answer to these letters. So, who'd like to go first? Anyone?
Q.
Q, Q, Q. That is a very terrible choice of a letter. It's not in many words, but no, sorry, no. But that might work. Q.
X.
X. Yeah, good guess. Now, the object is to get the letters, right, of the game? Sorry, X does not exist. So, he's going to have this. Okay, and anyone else? Anyone?
R.
That is actually a really good letter. Because R, we have in a lot of words. But I'm sorry, it's not on there today. Anyone else? Come on, don't be shy. It's okay.
C.
C. Oh! That would be a good letter too, but it's actually here. Oh, so we have a K letter. We've got 2 more to go. Anyone else? Anyone else? What about a vowel? Would anyone like to buy a vowel? The vowels are in English. What are the vowels? A, E, I.
Y.
Oh. Y. Okay. Sometimes Y is a vowel. Good job. U and then Y, but I'm sorry, Y. No, it's not going to work there. So sometimes Y is a vowel. A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. But
U.
Me? Me. Yes, me. Oh, no, the letter. Yes. Oh, hey, we're getting closer. So, we have uck. Now, what are some verbs?
D.
Duck. Duck off. Don't duck around, man. Sometimes when I'm texting my friends, the autocorrect changes the word to duck and it says, oh, duck that. I'm out of here, man. Quack. So you also put a quack after that. I'm sorry, it is not a D word. Let's give you one more chance. Choose one more letter, and then if you don't get it, I'm just going to give up. Anyone?
Z.
Z is actually the correct answer. The word is zuck. No, people, come on. The word is fuck. Oh, yeah. So, fuck around. Don't fuck around. You'll hear people saying this all the time. Hey, don't fuck about over there. Don't fuck around. Get some work done. Stop wasting your time. Don't fuck with me, man. Are you trying to fuck with someone? Are you trying to fuck with me? Sorry, it's not going to work. Fuck off. Go away. Don't fuck it up. Don't fuck it up. Come on, come on, come on. We're playing the game. Don't fuck it up. It's F. It's F. F. Don't fuck it up. What's the next one? Don't fuck it up. Okay, yes. Fuck. Good. Fuck her. Fuck him. If you're just sick of this person, you're like, you can't say fuck you because the person's not there. But you could say, do you know what? Jerry, fuck him, man. He's so out of it. I wish something bad would happen to him. Fuck that. I use this a lot. It means like, no way, man. No way. Or someone's like, hey, let's go and do this. You're like, fuck that, man. I don't believe you. You didn't do that. Don't fuck me over. Fuck it. Fuck it. Let's just do it. Fuck you. I hate you. Fuck me. Two meanings. One means let's have sex, and wow, fuck me. If you make it a longer fuck, it makes it more of a surprise. Like if someone says, hey, do you know what? I'm just going to give you a car. Fuck me, really? Okay, that's cool. And whatever you do, guys, when you're at work, stop fucking the dog when your boss is around. You can do it when the boss isn't looking, but for the benefit of your coworkers, stop fucking the dog. Stop fucking around and get to work. Fuck you guys, I'm out of here.